Hi, in this video I will tell you about AxcessD, software that protects you and your data on the internet. This is part 3 of a 3-part series where I demonstrate how AxcessD works. In part 1 I explained why you need AxcessD, and in part 2 I explained how AxcessD protects you and your data. So now I will run through a demo of using AxcessD with Gmail, and I'll be showing how there's a seamless integration with Gmail. I've set up 2 test Gmail accounts, George and Sally. I'm presently logged into George's account, and I'm going to use it to send a message to Sally's account. And I've typed in the message, and I'll just click send. And that's it. We've sent the message to Sally. Now it looks like you would usually do a sending of a message, but behind the scenes, AxcessD has protected the message. So now we're in Sally's Gmail account. And in her inbox, you see the message that George just sent. And we click on the message. It is, "Hi Sally, this is George using AxcessD," the same message we sent. And you see that it was unprotected. You will also notice in the right-hand corner the AxcessD symbol with the green check mark that shows that the data was successfully unprotected and authenticated. But you might ask, well, how do we know it really did this? It was seamless. So let's try and show that a little more by going back to George's account and trying another message. We're back at George's account again, and we're preparing to send another message to Sally. But instead of just clicking send this time, you'll notice we have these 2 icons in the lower right corner that are related to AxcessD. The green lock icon, we can click on it, and that will protect the data in place as we're looking at it. And you'll notice this is the format that actually gets sent. We click send, and now we sent that data. And that protection is what normally happens behind the scenes when you click send with Gmail. And so once again, we're back at Sally's account, and in her inbox you see this message we just sent. And we click on it, and there it's unprotected again, and it looks correct. Now another thing while we're here that I can show is in the upper right hand corner there's this AxcessD icon, and when you click on it you get a pop-up window which has some settings and controls. Now one of them is unprotect on page load. It's normally on, but if I shut it off and go back to the inbox, now you'll notice when I click on the mail, instead of it being unprotected, I get a message that says it is protected, click on it to view. So in this case, you have to click on it and it will unprotect it. So that's a feature you may want to use. It's optional, but it's a way that it doesn't always automatically unprotect the messages. But it does give you a sense that the messages were protected and AxcessD is working behind the scenes. So now a logical question to ask is, how is it that George gave permission for Sally to see that message? So we're back at George's account, and if I click on open the pop-up window, you'll notice there's a gear icon which brings up more detailed options for controlling AxcessD. And one of them is Edit Access List. And we're using the Gmail Friends list right now, so I'll retrieve that. And you'll notice the different settings, the platform, the list name, the state, some setting options. And then in the contact names box, you'll see the list of contacts who are allowed to see messages that are posted using this list. So for an experiment, let's remove Sally's Gmail address from this list. And we'll save it. So now it seems like, removed authorization for Sally to see those messages. So let's go back to her account and see if that worked. So now we're back at Sally's account and we've removed authorization for her to see these messages that George sent. So now if we click on them from her inbox, let's see what happens. Well, we get the message, "Sorry, you do not have authorization to view this protected data. Please contact the author directly." So this shows that by disabling her name in the Access list, George is preventing her from seeing these messages. To summarize, I've provided a simple AxcessD demo using Gmail, showing seamless integration with Gmail, plus a few of the supporting features and controls. I should emphasize that AxcessD works with most any web application where you can enter data, including social media. Information regarding all the options and features is available on our website at www.accessd.com. Lastly, I want to let you know that the AxcessD Basic subscription is free, so please go ahead and install it into your browser and give it a try. Simply click on the Install button on our website homepage. Once you install the basic version, you can upgrade to our premium subscription, which offers a number of useful enhancements. If you like AxcessD Basic, we urge you to upgrade to premium so we can continue to provide and enhance the service. Thanks for watching.